we are going to learn a very interesting way of drawing two birds sitting together on a branch. So, let's hear our riddle of the day. What happens once in soccer, twice in football, but never in baseball? Watch till the end of the video and be a little bit patient, please, to find out our answer. So let's get going. So now let's begin with our drawing, and how we are going to begin it by drawing a cross. Neither thing. Like this. Now, just longer, and a little bit more longer. Good. Now, let's begin with the branches. So let's draw two lines so that it will look like a real branch. So we have to draw it a teensy. The first line, the teensy bit down from the intersecting point, like this. And the next line, let's continue it longer. And it's okay if it comes wibbly wobbly because it's natural. Let's make this pattern after it's a little bit longer. Stop just like this. Okay, so now let's draw the circles. So the circles are the faces, and we have to draw it at the top of the crosses. Now let's draw the tail. So first let's draw the body. We start it narrow, so this portion is the neck, and then make it go deeper and then come like that. Then narrow and then yeah. Now let's draw a tail. Again, starts narrow and then wider. Start narrow and then it becomes wider. Starts narrow and wider. So now let's draw our feathers. So let's just draw a U shape. And then just a line, the wings. The U shape is the wings basically. A U shape and then some lines. And now let's draw like the tail feathers. Let's just draw a line. And now next one. And now let's draw the eyes. First I'll draw a circle. And now the other circle. And now let's draw the beak. color them in. Just make this a little better. So here's our bird. So I hope you liked it and you can improvise it by imagination, of course. So let's jump on to our riddle's answer, which was, what comes once in soccer, twice in football, but never in baseball? The answer to that is a letter O. Bye bye. I hope you enjoyed.